Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Redmi Note 11s. On the front, you can see the image of the phone with the name, and at the back, specifications like the camera, processor, display and battery. So let's open the box. First, we have this lid. Inside it, we get a SIM ejector tool. Documentation like the quick start guide, which will give you information about the phone. And the silicone back cover, which is a good addition from the company. Here we have Redmi Note 11s. The phone has a punch hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V3 protection. At the back, we have a 108 megapixel quad camera setup with Redmi branding at the bottom left. The phone is looking very stylish in this color. Now we have a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone and transferring the data, and a 2-pin wall charger with 33 watt of fast charging facility. So guys, that's all you get inside the Redmi Note 11s box. Thank you so much for watching.